In real life, I consider myself to be somewhat funny, but you might not consider me funny. That's okay. But today we're going to learn how being funny could actually be profitable. So, you've probably seen these around before, and I came across one the other day, and they've made their rounds over the internet over the years, but 41 of the most hilarious Amazon reviews ever, right? And this is from Bored Panda. This article is, I'm guessing, a little old because I see the date here, and that's from September 3rd, 2012. So this product right here is pretty old, right? But it's pretty ingenious what somebody had did. So the way the Amazon Associates program works is if I send you an affiliate link and you click on it, anything that you buy at all from Amazon during that time, I'm going to get a credit for it, even if it's not the big for her, right? So basically, there are some funny comments that people went and looked and found and created, a Amazon affiliate link and sent them around, right? Bored Panda here collected all of those reviews and they wrote an article about it. So here, Bored Panda is really just using these as content for their website, not really the Amazon associate commissions that you get off of here, but you can use these, and I've seen these used to really effective in different groups. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to join a bunch of meme groups, or something like this right here. It would be really funny for moms groups. Mom groups for a lot of these are really funny. This one is good for a mom group. Most of these would probably, the banana slicer. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go into these groups. You're going to grab the Amazon affiliate link for whatever this product is, and you're going to just make a simple post like, oh my God, this product was so funny. Check out review number 3. It had me dying, right? So once they click on it, then you got them hooked, right? So anything that they buy, you're going to get credit for, right? So basically you're going to go over to Facebook and you're going to look up, stay-at-home moms, mommy community groups, parent groups, women groups, any of that kind of stuff, right? And you're just going to post, you're going to join five groups a week, 1 a day, 1 to 5 groups a day. You don't want to go too crazy, or you're going to end up getting spammed out of Facebook. But essentially, and you're just going to go in there and you're going to post these, right? So you can't just go in there and post, right? Because that's going to end up as spam, right? What you're going to do is, like I said, you're going to make a thoughtful comment like, oh my God, these reviews have me howling. Check out number 2. I almost peed my pants, that kind of thing, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to upvote that comment, right? You're going to bump it. You're going to make a comment. You're going to like it. You're going to keep it at the top of the Facebook group, right? And then after that, you're going to do that in all your groups to make sure that you're going to get maximum exposure for this, right? And if, let's say, you're in, 10 or so different groups and you get, 50 clicks a day kind of thing, that's really going to add up. Now, mind you, I'm not going to throw out a dollar amount here because I really don't know what you can make from this. And to be quite honest with you, this isn't exactly passive, but it will get you some money, right? So, I'm going to ballpark it and say you could probably make $10 to $100 a day doing this. It's definitely not going to make you rich, but, you can have some fun. You can definitely get into some really good conversations here. Another thing what you could do is post it on Reddit in the Reddit subreddits of any kind of funny or humor or any of that kind of stuff, right? But just make sure that with Reddit, they're pretty sneaky. They smell stuff like this coming a while away. So basically, you're going to have to really make sure that you're not being salesy and like, hey, check out this because I'm going to get it associated. You'll get your Reddit account banned. So Reddit is definitely another avenue for this. You can definitely post it on your Facebook. Again, you can even do YouTube. where you can, you know, make videos on each one of these. If you have like a humor channel or something along that lines, that's not going to fly as good. But again, like, you know, in this particular case, they wrote an article, and you can just do an article and have a link on each one of these. And if you really were like, if you wanted to go the article route, I would do it for like, say, medium.com or Wattpad, and write a really good article. And then you're just going to, it's called a parasite, right? And basically what a parasite is a site like Wattpad and Medium can really take a beating when it comes to backlinks, right? So you can, like, if you were to put a bunch of links onto a website that you owned yourself, Google wouldn't rank it because it looks like spam backlinks. But a site like YouTube and Wattpad and Facebook, they can take a beating because of their actual domain name. So I know that's a little bit more advanced, but if you want to go the article route, you could rank something like this in Google or whatever for various different keywords revolving around Amazon review, funny Amazon reviews 2019, whatever. You can find a list of keywords that works for you. And but honestly, I just thought it was cool. I thought it was, you know, kind of a cute way that you could actually make some money by being funny. I mean, and here is the $1 million trick, right? So I waited all the way to the end of the video to give this. So if you waited all the way to the end of the video to hear this, you really are going to make out with this. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick a random product. Now, obviously, these products lend themselves to be really funny, like a Bic for her pen. I mean, it doesn't really matter if it's a male or a female pen. But you're going to pick a product, and you're going to actually manufacture the reviews. So you're going to get like 4 or 5, upwards of 10 Amazon review accounts. Just simple Amazon accounts. They're free to do. And you're going to write the reviews yourself, right? So it takes a little bit of pizzazz, but, you know, if you're kind of a funny person, or, you know, you can kind of borrow some humor and some idea from other people, that's all you really need. And you're going to manufacture. You could do this on cue anytime that you want. You can make reviews up, and so you're not stuck with this list of 41 different ones and you're screwed, right? You can make your own reviews up and actually comment them. And then, of course, you're going to upvote those reviews with your other accounts so that they go to the top or whatever. So, real simple way. Like I said, it's good starter money. Nothing crazy. You know, it's different. Not a lot of people are doing this. It's not like, you know, you're going to get overly saturated. You don't see this, but basically all you want them to do is click the link, and then you get credit for anything they buy. If you like this video, if you found it entertaining, or if you found it useful, make sure that you give it a like, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and guys, I will see you in the next video.